In this short video, we're going to look at how you can utilize Microsoft Word in your S1000D workflow. The Xignal S1000D Suite is the only S1000D solution to have an integration with Microsoft Word, enabling you to draft your S1000D content directly in Word and seamlessly save that content back to the CSDB for continued authoring, reviewing, or publishing. Let's see how that works. So we're in our Xignal suite and we have a project selected. Let's go to the Data Module Manager and create some empty DM shells ready for authoring. In this instance, I'm going to use the Excel template import function to fill in the details of my required data modules, then upload it to create the empty shell DMs. The next thing I need to do is assign the data module to myself. The data module needs to be assigned to the user since the Word integration will only allow the authoring of data modules that are assigned to that current user. Okay, so the data module is now assigned. We don't need to check it out since Word will do that for us. So let's now switch over to Word. The first thing we need to do in Word is to establish a connection to our Xignal software. So let's click Connect to Xignal, make sure the credentials are correct, and connect. Now that we have an active connection, we can select a project from the project list. Let's pick the project that we're working on. Next, let's view a list of data modules that are available from the selected project. Here you can see the data module that I just assigned to myself, and from here we can choose to draft the DM in Word. Within a couple of seconds, you can see that a new document template has been created for us with the header and title pre-populated with my data module details. Let's author the data module contents. Specific templated areas of the document are provided for us, such as the required conditions, personnel, tools, spares, supplies, and a safety conditions section. In the main body of the procedure, we can use the dedicated S1000D styles to give the document structure, just like we would with any other Word template. Other than getting familiar with the Word styles, there is nothing else that the author needs to know in relation to S1000D, so literally anyone can create content or contribute to the S1000D workflow. In addition to drafting the procedure, we can also add referencing to tools, spares, supplies, or even other data modules from within the Word interface, and these tags will automatically be converted to the required S1000D markup when we generate the XML data module. Once we've drafted our data module contents in Word, we can validate the contents, making sure that the data module is going to be structurally valid once converted to S1000D. And then we can generate the data module. Once generated, we can choose to save the DM back to Xignal. Okay, so let's move back to our Xignal environment to see what's been created. Here is our data module. If we open it, we can see the data we created in the Word document is there and ready for further authoring if required, or reviewing, or publishing. So hopefully that gives you a good overview of how the Xignal suite can integrate with Microsoft Word to enable Word to be used as part of your technical publications workflow, allowing literally anybody to contribute to your S1000D content. If you'd like more information, please do reach out to the Xignal team. The details are below. Thanks for watching.